Hello everybody, Storm Spotter Asa here. Just an update for the warnings. We do have a severe thunderstorm warning for PA that expires in 44 minutes for Clearfield and Center counties. If you live in any of those areas, you have a severe thunderstorm warning in your area as we speak. Nothing really new with the reports, but let's take a look at those severe thunderstorm warnings. Okay. That one does seem pretty strong. So, in my opinion, this spot right here, my opinion is that this certain spot caused that SVR to go out, or that hail marker there. Okay, the hail marker is 1.25. This storm is moving east-northeast at 23 knots, and again, this storm is severe warned. If you want more content like this, please remember to like, comment, and or subscribe. This is Storm Spotter Ace saying have a great day, stay safe. I will see you all next time.